inspired by your guys' relationship, the support that you guys give each other. You stick by each other through everything, which is really rare this day and age. It's so beautiful. You're so strong, which he needs, and he's so strong, which it's just like the perfect balance. So I just wish you guys the best of luck in all your lives and your adventures, your ups and downs, everything. Just remember, it's you two now, and we're all here for you, whatever you need. Mike, you are a brother to me, so just get ready. All right, love you guys.
When it came to marriage, I used to come from doubt, then you showed me hope. I used to come from fear, then you showed me love. Jennifer, you were the missing half that made me whole. You're perfect in every way. You're the calm to my crazy, the left to my right, the mate to my soul, and the purpose for my life. You've turned me into the best version of myself, and you make me a better person every day. I vow to continually inspire you as you have always inspired me. I promise to be true to you, love and adore you, to challenge you and to frustrate you. I promise to never watch the next episode on Netflix without you, no matter how much I want to. I vow to protect you from spiders as long as we both shall live. I promise to do little things every day to make you smile. I vow not to only grow old with you, but to grow with you each and every day. When I look at you, I see the rest of my life in front of my eyes. And in that life, I see no bad days, because each day begins and ends with you.
There are not enough words to express how much I love you, but I'm sure going to try. Never in my mind would I think that I would be standing next to a man who pays attention to every detail about me, who makes me laugh so hard I can't breathe, who supports me when things get rough, a man who accepts me for who I am and what I bring to the table, and who makes me feel like I'm the most beautiful woman in the world. We have been through some battles, but always pushed through them with our unconditional love for each other. And that is what I love most about us. We will always get through anything. We definitely make a great team. Mike, you are my other half. You're the first thing I want to see when I wake up and the last thing when I fall asleep. You are what completes me. So, as I stand here with you today, I want to make a few promises to you. I promise that no matter how tough the roads ahead of us get, I will always be by your side. I promise to always give you unconditional love and to listen, to hear, and consider your feelings and thoughts as we head into this journey together. Lastly, I promise to be the woman and wife that I see now in your eyes today, tomorrow, and for the rest of our lives. I love you, and I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together, getting gray and old.
I want to introduce to you, for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Mike Mendoza, as I pronounce you, man and wife. You may kiss the bride.
wonderful daughter, and I just inherited a beautiful son. You guys are beautiful together. You are. And you deserve all this. And God bless you guys. I love you. And I can't say how much because I just love you like infinity or whatever, okay? that's the truth. So congratulations again.
So here's the toast. To the next, who knows however many years up until the day they die. They'll make it happen, and here's to Mike and Jen.